The asymmetries that I see in the way that information is shared is that there's inherent bias in most of the information that we get. Clearly, information that's provided to us by the industry has a bias to demonstrate some marketing tools to advocate for selling that particular agent. I think the asymmetry really is in the information that's allowed to be shared. The pharmaceutical industry is under tremendous regulations in what they can and cannot speak to. The ability to have a conversation with them about off-label practices or off-label uses of a particular agent would be incredibly important to us, because research moves a lot faster than FDA-approved indications do, and as physicians we're able to incorporate those into clinical practice. So it would be nice to have a conversation with people about off-label uses. And then the other aspect to that in the field of asymmetries, I think, is in this academic or counter-detailing. And the fact is that the inherent biases that abound when industry representatives come to speak to me certainly abound when government employees come to speak to me. They have a vested interest in driving healthcare costs down, and I think that any information that we listen to from government employees certainly should be viewed with the same bias. I think it's incumbent upon us as physicians to weigh the information that we're given at hand, just like we do when reading a study by ourselves in our office. We weigh the risks and benefits. We assess the applicability of the information within the study. Is everybody in the study a representative of the patient population that we see? Can they get the follow-up that patients in studies can get? So I think that the same critical evaluation of information that we're given regardless of source is going to apply regardless of who comes to see us and provide us that information. In comparative effectiveness, I think there's an opportunity here to provide real clinical comparative effectiveness. Let's look at the clinical efficacy and the safety first, and then let the finances rest where they may.